Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain the Logitech PS5 steering wheel setup. First, let's unbox everything. Carefully remove all components from the packaging. You should find the steering wheel, the pedal unit, and the power adapter. Take a moment to ensure all cables are present and undamaged. This initial check helps guarantee a smooth setup process for your new racing experience. Next, let's connect the hardware. Securely mount your steering wheel to a stable surface using its built-in clamps. Then, connect the pedal unit cable to the correct port on the wheelbase. After that, plug the power adapter into the wheel and a wall outlet. Finally, connect the USB cable from the wheel directly to one of the USB ports on your PlayStation 5 console. Now, let's configure your PlayStation 5 system settings. Head to the Accessories menu on your console's dashboard. Select your steering wheel to ensure the system recognizes it. Here, you can adjust important settings like force feedback strength and overall sensitivity to match your driving style. Also, take a moment to verify that all buttons and pedals are responding correctly. Finally, it's time for in-game calibration. Launch your favorite racing game on your PlayStation 5. Once in the game, navigate to its specific controller or wheel settings menu. This is where you can fine-tune the steering range and pedal dead zones for maximum precision. Don't hesitate to experiment with different in-game settings to discover your ideal driving feel and truly immerse yourself in the race.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.